The reason why the world is obsessed with Israel and Jewish conspiracy theories is because Christianity and Islam both see themselves as supersessionist. That is, that they believe theologically that they have taken over the role of Israel, of the Jewish people, and the Jewish people are now surplus to requirements. And so for the past 2,000 years, Christianity has been deeply anti-Semitic. Islam is deeply anti-Semitic because both of those religions, world religions, believe that they have replaced the Jewish people. And the Jewish people existing is a fundamental problem to their theological worldview.